Everyone, today I've got a quick Google Chrome tutorial for you. I'm going to be showing you how to add a Google Translate button to your Chrome toolbar. This is great because it gives you one-click website translation. So if you like to go to websites from other countries, this will translate it for you. So let's dive right into it. Now the first thing and the easiest way to find this setting I find is to open up a brand new tab. So head up to the top where it says new tab, the little plus sign, and you can go ahead and left click on that. And then from there, head on down to the very bottom right-hand corner. You'll see it says Customize Chrome. You can select that, and this will give you some options here on the right-hand side. And you'll see the option here that says Toolbar. If you select that, we'll get some widgets that we can add on, and there's some toggle switches here. So head on down to the Tools and Actions area, and if you look closely, it says Translate right here. And off to the right, we've got the toggle switch. So if we turn this on, just click it on, it turns blue. Up at the top, we've got the new Google Translate button. It says translate this page. So let's try it out here. We'll open up a website. So this is a Swedish news site. We'll try it out here. So we'll click that button and it automatically picked up that it's Swedish, and we can translate to English by clicking here. There's also some options. So we can change or choose another language right here. We can always translate Swedish, never translate Swedish, never translate this site, or page not in Swedish. Now, of course, if this website was in French or Spanish, these would be those options. So let's go ahead and try translate this to English here. So we'll click on English and watch what happens to the site. There we go. It translated it right away. So right now, record deal, and it works great. It doesn't translate the ads, however, but it's a great option if you would like a Google Translate button here in Google Chrome. So I hope this tutorial helped you out. If it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.